Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here to discuss our DOE worksheet number 58 from your chapter Gravitation, and today we will discuss about the difference in mass and weight of an object on moon. Okay, what is the difference between mass and weight of an object? The mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Greater the mass, greater will be the inertia. And the mass of an object is the amount of matter it contains, whereas the weight of an object at a place is the force which the celestial body like earth attracts that object. Means what weight at any place is that force which is uh, applied by the earth to attract that object. Mass of an object does not change with the change in the place, whereas the weight of an object change from place to place. Now, how to calculate the weight of an object on the moon? Let us consider the mass of an object be m and the weight of an object on the moon be Wm, and the mass of the moon is m and radius of the moon is rm. Okay, so according to the universal law of gravitation, and we have Wm means Gmm upon m square. And if we let us take another weight of the same object on the earth, it would be, we have weight, the mass of the earth is me, then we will get g is equal to w is equal to g into me into m upon re square, where this is the radius of earth. And by dividing, this is, we have first equation, this is second, and by dividing 2 from 1, we will get we will get w m upon we is equal to g m into m upon re square divided by g me into m upon re square. G say g cancel, this m cancel, what we are left with m upon re square. This divide when converted into multiply, this will reverse these two factors, that is re square upon me. This is, we will get after solving this, and when we put the value of all these given quantities, like we have radius of earth, radius of moon, mass of earth, mass of moon, right, then we will calculate this result, which is equal to weight of an object on moon equals to 1/6 of weight of an object on earth. Then we have this, say if I am 60 kg, my weight is 60 kg on moon, then on earth, then my weight on moon will be 10 kg. Okay, by this way we can calculate. So here we have the force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight. See, this is the force applied by the earth to attract an object with this force. Okay, so the weight of the force acting downwards, it has both magnitude and direction. Definitely direction towards the gravity, and definitely it has some value, so magnitude and direction is there. The mass of The weight of an object of any celestial body changes due to gravitational force of the celestial body acting upon it, which while the mass does not change, therefore the weight of an object on the moon will be equal to the gravitational force of the moon acting on the object. See, the weight of any celestial body, it may be the earth, moon, or whatever else is there, change due to the gravitational force. It changes due to its gravitational force of attraction, the celestial body acting upon it, and while the mass does not, mass remains the same always. Therefore, the weight of an object on the moon will be equal to the gravitational force acting on the moon. It is always affected by the gravitational force. So mass of the moon is lesser than the earth. Mass of the moon is lesser than the earth, and that's why it exerts lesser gravitational force, and hence the weight will be lesser at the moon than on the earth. Okay, because the weight of the moon is less as compared to the earth, its gravitational force is also less, so the mass of any object on the moon is lesser than that of the earth. Unit of mass is kilogram, whereas the unit of weight is Newton. The mass of an object is 10 kilogram, and the weight on the earth, see, it's very simple. If an object has 10 kilogram mass, its weight on the earth, now we have to calculate the weight on the earth, as we know that weight on the earth is equal to m into g. Then we have 10 into value of g. By crossing this, we will get 98 Newton. This is the answer. Now let's do the practice exercise of this. First we have, where will be the mass of an object be lesser, on moon or on the earth? The moon. On the moon, the mass of an object will be lesser because of its less gravitational force. You can write the answer from here. This is the answer of your first question. Derive the mathematical expression and find out the way of, then you have to write the answer of this question. Okay, you have to write all this in the question number 2. What factor does the weight of an object depend which is taken to another planet? The weight will be depend upon the gravitational force of that planet. Okay, depend upon the gravitational force. The weight of a person on moon is 10 Newton. What will be the weight on the earth? See, the weight of a person on moon is 10. If I say the weight of object on earth is equal to 6 times the weight of object on moon, then we have 6 into 10 raised 10, that is 60 Newton is the answer. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you liked it, you understand it very well. So do share with your friends, like the channel and subscribe also. Thank you, bache. Take care.